Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it evolves in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 16% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 40% to negative 2%. Considering a longer-term perspective, our analysis for the next 12 months shows an expected decline of around 11%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 31% and positive 49% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would project the future price to fall somewhere between $2.72 and $5.93. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline, NIO stock upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The NIO stock price increased by 3.13% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 8th of May, 2025, rising from $3.84 to $3.96. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.99%, with a low of $3.88 and a high of $4. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 5.26% over this period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 120,000 more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 26 million shares were exchanged for approximately $104.87 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price stands at 48.64%, or $3.75, below the 52-week high, and 94.09%, or $63.03, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. NIO's stock performance has recently been shaped by a combination of factors, with share prices facing pressure from tariff-related market fluctuations. In the latest trading session, NIO's stock closed at $3.98, down by 1.24%. However, there is renewed optimism among investors as the company prepares to launch its new Firefly model in Europe, aiming to reclaim the $5 price point. With deliveries rising significantly in April, NIO reported a 53% year-over-year increase, indicating strong consumer demand, which could serve as a solid foundation for future growth. The increasing interest in NIO also underscores its potential appeal to retail investors, despite the inherent risks associated with lower-priced stocks. This investor focus could lead to short-term volatility as speculation heightens. In the long term, the successful execution of strategies and continued delivery growth will be crucial. If NIO can navigate the current market challenges and sustain its delivery momentum, it may position itself favorably for recovery and growth, positively influencing its stock price in the future. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was noted that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, Macquarie also assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Earlier, on Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup again assigned NIO a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $3.96 and $3.86. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, known as MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have emerged which could impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot point on Monday, the 28th of April, in the year 2025, and thus far, the stock has experienced a decline of 8.12%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 42 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 26 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO currently finds support from accumulated volume at $3.93. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock tends to exhibit significant movement throughout the day, indicating a high level of volatility. Coupled with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, NIO is classified as high risk. In the past day, the stock experienced a movement of 11.6 cents between its highest and lowest points, amounting to 2.99%. Over the past week, the stock has recorded an average daily volatility of 2.72%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios might be a warning sign of inadequate profits and the potential risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates predict a loss of 22 cents per share. It is crucial to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.93. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Incorporated executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.73, representing a decline of 5.71%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Furthermore, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? Despite the stock being in a downward trend, several short-term indicators are positive. We believe that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 9th of May, we anticipate that NIO will open lower by approximately 1.46 cents and begin trading at $3.95. We want to emphasize that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Remember, your investment choices should not rely solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.